power, welding, job site performance, no compromises. Power every job with the Lincoln Electric Ranger 260 MPX and Ranger Air 260 MPX. Premium multifunction engine-driven units with welding, generator, and compressor capability. Ready to rent on PTR work trucks. This 3-in-1 delivers 260 amps of welding power and 9 kilowatts of continuous with 11.5 kilowatts peak, 120 to 240 volts power, being ready to run compressors, grinders, saws, drills, and more. Plus, this machine can tackle a variety of welding applications with materials like steel and iron. Unlike other welder generator compressors, the Ranger and Ranger Air 260 MPX delivers a lighter, quieter, and more compact design without sacrificing performance. At PTR, we can easily install these machines onto a wide range of work trucks, including open and enclosed service bodies, crane trucks, flatbeds, and more. Paired with a PTR rental truck, the Lincoln Electric Ranger and Ranger Air 260 MPX deliver the power and capability you rely on, ready to work the moment you arrive on site.